Hello, collective. How's everyone doing? Good, I hope. It is November 30th, 2019. And tonight, actually, I wanted to do a quick weather reading for you guys. I want to show you guys how I do my own divine masculine readings just by simply walking outside and observing the elements, the weather. Okay. Um, so if you weren't aware of this, the divine masculine energy is actually ruled by the sun, right? The divine feminine energy is actually ruled by the moon. And all day today, you know, the sky was totally covered by tainted cloud formations that are very unnatural. What that tells me basically is that there's obviously a tainted, contaminated air sign in the mix still, right? It has been for a while. But right now, it's like really extremely, the tainted air sign is blocking the divine masculine from his higher self, okay? There was absolutely no sign of the sun today, not even a little bit. Not even a little bit. And that's not a good thing, you know. Walking outside this morning was extremely depressing to look at the sky, you know, because knowing that the divine masculine energy was totally being clouded, you know, covered by all that contaminated air, you know, that is totally blocking the rays of the sun from even coming through, you know, and that's very, very dangerous for the divine masculine collective, okay? Along with that, like right now, it's raining. So what I take from that is that there's possibly some purging going on, some possible cleansing going on. Divine masculine's higher self is singing ludicrous right now. Move, bitch, get out the way. To the tainted air sign that has been blocking his path for so long. You know, this shit has been going on for a long time now. And the fact of the matter is that looking at the weather, it's showing me basically that there's some overhaul of cleansing going on currently, right now, because the water's pouring extremely hard. You still cannot see not even the moon. Okay, so even the divine feminine energy is covered because of the tainted air that has been in the collective and that needs to be removed, you know. These blockages are extremely dense. These cloud formations, like I said, they're not natural clouds. These are very unnatural occurrences that are constantly in the sky, you know. But for today, November 30th, 2019, the weather has been horrible. There absolutely has been zero appearance from the divine masculine energy today. And that's how I read the weather. Okay, this is a very easy, simple way for those of you who are in separation to check in on your divine masculine. Just go outside. That's all you have to do. Check and see how the sun is actually shining. Can it shine? Is it able to shine through the clouds? You know, are there any obstructive things in the way, you know, of the view of the sun, you know, because, you know, I know that the divine feminine loves to bask in the sun. And today there was absolutely no sign of it. And like I said, there was also water. There's water right now, and it's raining quite a bit. So I believe, like I said, there's a lot of purging and cleansing going on. And divine masculine's higher self is telling that bitch to move the fuck out of the way, basically. I'm not sure necessarily if the divine masculine in the 3D form is doing this. However, he's probably still very unaware of what's going on energetically. He's being blocked, you know, by the tainted air. And It's simple. I basically, this is how I do some of my readings. I just simply go outside and just read the elements. You correlate the elements with the signs. And, if you're talking about, like I said, the sun, that's divine masculine energy. The moon, that's divine feminine energy. The air, of course, that's all the air signs. The water, which is, the rain, which is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. And then we have earth. Anyways, this is just one way that I wanted to share with everybody, and you can utilize these same exact skills by just learning how to read the elements just by simply walking outside. Okay, so that is the divine masculine energetic update through the readings of weather. Anywho, until next time, peace, love, and light, everybody.